Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nelly Kenya and today I'm going to show you how to slay your eyebrows on a budget. My budget for this video is 330 bob. Yes, I mean 330 Kenyan shillings. So the first product you're going to use are these makeup brushes that I got along CBD for 150 bob. This concealer that I got at Best Lady for 150 bob, and this pencil that I got again from the streets for 30 bob. So the concealer looks like this. I don't know, it's mattifying. It's written Usha's mattifying concealer, so let's get to it. First of all, you need to draw a line here at the beginning of your brow, at the arc of your brow, and at the end of your brow, and then you connect these three lines using really gentle strokes. You don't have to be so accurate because at the end you're going to use a concealer to clean up your brow. Ensure you're using really gentle strokes because you don't want your brows to look artificial. Okay, we're done with the first brow. We go to the second brow. And this trick is really easy for beginners to use. So we still connect the lines. Yeah. We also do the same at the top of your brows, but it's recommended to start at the bottom of your brows. But you remember, you don't have to be so thorough. I mean, so, what do I call it? You don't have to be so accurate with your lines because you're going to clean them up using a concealer at the end. So when you're done with your two brows, this is what you'll have. I know they look so clumsy. So we go in with our concealer to clean the brow. One thing I like about this concealer is it has an applicator brush. So we apply the concealer. That way, and I prefer, oh my gosh, my eyelashes. I prefer having a concealer that's the same shade with my foundation because sometimes it gets a little bit tricky to blend it. So this is another trick that is recommended for beginners. And if you don't have a concealer, you can also use your foundation. So we go in with our concealer again at the top part, ensuring we have that let me show you, that curved eyebrow. As we go in, we clean our eyebrows and make sure they're thin at the end because it will look. Okay, then we go in with our second eyebrow. We clean it up. I find this brush really easy to use. Really easy to use. Then when you're done, you take your concealer brush and just blend the concealer in. Just blend it in, blend. Yeah, so we're done with blending this side. Then we go to the second one. And as you guys can see, it's really easy to blend a concealer that's the same shade as your skin tone compared to lighter concealers. And as you can see, it's still doing the job. It's cleaning your brow. So you go to the upper part again. Do the same thing, blend. As you guys can see, it's really easy to blend. To blend this foundation. So you, okay, when you're done, you'll achieve something like this at the end. If you can see any blank spaces, you just go in with your pencil and fill it in. Yeah, just like that. Then you take your concealer brush and just dip it in your concealer and ensure that you close this because it's going to dry up. Then you just use that small amount to clean the beginning part of your brow because you don't want that artificial line on your brows. So this is what you'll get as your finished product. And you just clean at the center. Center. And this is what you'll have at the end. This is what you'll have at the end. So I'll go fix my foundation, then come back. My channel, as you can see, I finished dressing up. My eyebrows look very clean, clear, well shaped and defined. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be posting on every Wednesday. See you then. Bye.